Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change username on Pinterest. Maybe you want to change your Pinterest username to something more unique or personal, or maybe you made a typo when creating your account. So today I am going to show you how to change username on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select this option, Edit Public Profile. Here, you can now see your current username. To change your username, simply tap on this username field and delete your current username. After that, you can now type in your new username. Keep in mind that usernames on Pinterest can only be up to 30 characters long and cannot contain any spaces or special characters. Once you have typed your new username, tap on this Done button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, you now have successfully changed your Pinterest username. Your new username will now be visible on your profile page and all of your pins. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change username on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change username on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.